Hello kids, welcome to Naipunya Vikasam. I am K. Devi Kiran, Functional English and Life Skills Trainer from APSWRS Junior College, Mumdivaram, East Godavari District. Today we are going to discuss about time management. Every person have 24 hours, but some have achieved great heights, achieved what they wanted, changed the world and future. But some they are just there, where they are before, want to achieve something but couldn't, failing. Maybe they will stay there forever. What could be the reason? Maybe they haven't worked hard. No, they worked really hard. Then what could be the reason? The answer is time. They just haven't done in the right time. They haven't timed their work. They haven't done their work by time. This is why they haven't achieved, but if they learn to manage time, all their work will be worth it. So, kids, time management is an important role in your journey to success. So, kids, our objectives are to organize ourselves, to find more time for our activities, and to plan our time. So, our first objective is to organize ourselves to find more time for our activities. So, let's do an activity, and the resource material are 10 balls filled with grains like chana, moong, rajma, and till. Let's start the session with sharing how much time you spend on various activities with class. How you are spending time in school. Spend sleeping, the approximate time you spend eating, playing with friends, etc. Why are you always short of time? List the different activities that each one of you doesn't find time for. Most of your answers could be that you didn't find time to do many things because of schoolwork or I have to study. Now, how did you spend doing the schoolwork or the study work at home? Reasons for this feeling is that even when you are doing other things, the fact that you have to attend to the homework stays with you all the time. Often we procrastinate because we feel the task is very dilly. Now get into group of 4. Each of your group will be provided with a ball containing mixture of grains consisting of rajma, chana, moong, dal and till. The group members have to separate all the grains in 5 minutes. Now begin. Have you separated the grain? And which were the grains that were easier to separate? How? By first removing the grains big as you could find the smaller grains. Similarly, in life, when we remove the tasks that look big at first, we will find time for the other tasks. Sometimes a task, homework, isn't really that big, but we constantly keep thinking about it and making it big. However, once we attend to it, we are no longer intimidated by the same, and we find that we have more time for other activities too. Re emphasize the fact that if children plan the activities and attend to it in time and further discipline, they will soon find that they will be left with the time to spare for the other things too. Usually, we keep delaying our big tasks, not attending to them and making them even bigger. Once we complete tasks, usually they don't seem so big and burdensome. giving us the space, the time, and inclination to low. So, next the objective is to plan our time. Just think, if we became magicians and stretch the day, but we cannot do that literally, but we can definitely manage our time. Managing our time will probably make the time seem adequate and thus make us happier and less anxious. One way of managing our time could be making a timetable. In this session, you will be making a timetable for yourselves. Now you must list all the activity you had to do. Example, going to school, go to your class, eat food, etc. And color those squares accordingly. Next, think of the activities for which you have no specific time, like playing on the computer, homework, practicing music, reading, etc. Allocate the activities to the available spaces. Allocate sensibly for homework can be finished before dinner, but reading time can be done after dinner. The timetable is ready. You can't predict what can happen in the day. Many times you will not be able to stick to schedule, but the schedule will definitely give them a better sense of time and how it is used. Planning our day sensibly gives us the time to fit in many activities that we want to do during day. Planning as lows us to see on which activity we are spending what time. Thank you for listening my lesson.